Yesterday we built your topic queue and validated your first topic. Today, day 2. The goal isn't novelty. It's repetition. Every successful content operation runs on a daily research habit that takes less than 10 minutes. Day 1 was setup. Day 2 is when the habit actually forms. By the end of this video, you'll run your second Perplexity briefing, add a second topic to your queue, and learn the refinement loop that turns raw briefings into publish-ready angles. Still no Claude. Still no N8N. Week 1 is research discipline only. Start by reviewing day 1. Open your content queue sheet. Check your first topic row. Does the angle column still hold up after sleeping on it? Read it aloud. If it sounds generic, AI tools are changing fast, rewrite it with specifics. Add the primary source URL to notes. Change status from researching to ready only if you can defend every claim with a citation. If something feels weak, keep it at researching and flag it for recheck on day 4. Day 2 isn't about rushing topics to ready. It's about building quality gates you'll thank yourself for at script time. Step 1, run briefing number 2. Same time as yesterday, 9 a.m. if you set the calendar reminder. Same Perplexity Pro search prompt from day 1. 5 developments, sources, overlooked trend. But add one variation today, append for my niche, AI productivity and workflow automation. This focuses the briefing on content your channel actually covers. Save the output as briefing day 2. Now compare day 1 and day 2 side by side. Look for overlapping trends, those are your hottest topics. Look for contradictions, those make great video angles. 2 days of data beats 1 every time. Step 2, spot the overlap trend. Scan both briefings. Highlight any development that appears twice, same tool, same category, same shift in how people work. Overlap signals demand. If Claude and N8N both showed up in trending coverage across 2 days, that's a stack video waiting to happen. If a brand new tool appeared only once, note it but don't prioritize it yet. 1 mention is noise. 2 mentions in 48 hours is signal. Write your overlap finding in a new row at the bottom of your sheet called Trend Tracker. Columns, trend, first seen, time seen, action. This tracker feeds your editorial calendar for the next 30 days. Step 3, add your second topic. From today's briefing, run the 3-topic candidate prompt from day 1. But add a constraint, the topic must not overlap with topic 1 in title or angle. You want variety in your queue, not 5 versions of the same video. Apply the same 3 filters: original value, channel fit, verifiable in under an hour. Run the competitive gap check. Add the winner as row 2 in your content queue. Status, researching. Now look at both topics together. Ask, would a subscriber watch both in the same week without feeling it's repetitive? If yes, you're building a real calendar. If no, swap one out. Step 4, the 5-minute refinement loop. This is the day 2 upgrade. For each topic in your queue, run one fast Perplexity query. What is the single strongest counterargument to this video angle? Cite sources. This stress test prevents one-sided videos that comments will destroy. Add the counterargument to notes. Then write one sentence on how your video will address it. That sentence becomes your hook. 2 topics, 10 minutes total. You now have defensible angles, not just catchy titles. Creators who do this once before scripting cut revision time in half. Day 2 complete. You have 2 briefings, 2 research topics, a trend tracker, and a refinement loop that makes your angles bulletproof. Tomorrow through day 7, you repeat 1 briefing, 1 new topic, 5-minute refinement on existing rows. By day 7, 5 to 7 topics in your queue, all at researching or ready status. That's enough content to carry you through week 2 when Claude starts writing scripts. Tonight's homework, check that your 9 a.m. calendar reminder fired today. If you missed it, don't double up. Just show up tomorrow. Consistency beats intensity. Tune in tomorrow, day 3 of the 30-day plan. Subscribe if you want more practical AI workflow breakdowns.